Shandong Value Machinery Manufacture is an IS-901 certified crane parts supplier. Our products include track shoe, bottom roller, top roller, sprocket, and idler. The products we provide cover multiple brands including Liebherr, Manitowoc, Link Belt, Seini, Sumitomo, Hitachi, Kobelco. With 28 years of industry experience, 80% of crane parts are precisely manufactured according to original factory drawings. For crane and undercarriage parts of popular models, we have sufficient inventory and can deliver them quickly within 7 to 14 days to reduce your downtime cost. We have more than 20 undercarriage parts production workshops. The raw materials for all undercarriage parts come from Bao steel and Liwu steel. They undergo advanced overall tempering and surface heat treatment processes. This ensures the excellent performance of each part. The factory is equipped with more than 50 automated production equipment, including horizontal lathes, milling machines, and boring machines. After fine grinding, our products have smooth surfaces and precise dimensions and can be perfectly compatible with the original crawler crane. We have strict quality inspection procedures, including ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle testing, tensile testing, impact testing, and hardness testing, to ensure that every part received by customers meets OEM quality.
We have an efficient logistics team that can customize logistics solutions according to customer needs. So far, our crane parts have been sold to more than 30 regions worldwide. In addition, we have set up a 2,500 working hours guarantee period for customers. During this period, if the crane parts you purchased have quality problems, we promise to replace them with new ones for free.
We have accumulated many customers who have cooperated with us for up to 15 years. If you need crawler crane parts, we will be your best choice.